Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare turmeric and ginger juice. We'll explore their unique health benefits, taste profiles, and best uses. Understanding these differences will help you choose the best option for your wellness goals. Turmeric is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory power, while ginger is a go-to for digestion. Let's dive into the specifics of each root's incredible properties and how they can enhance your daily routine. Turmeric juice, derived from the vibrant root, is a powerhouse of curcumin. This compound is widely recognized for its potent anti-inflammatory effects, which can be beneficial for joint pain and muscle soreness. Many people consume turmeric juice to support a healthy inflammatory response and enhance their body's natural defenses. It's also believed to contribute to skin health and overall vitality. Ginger juice, with its distinctive spicy kick, is rich in gingerol, a compound famous for its digestive benefits. It's excellent for calming an upset stomach, easing nausea, and even helping with motion sickness. Beyond digestion, ginger juice also possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help with muscle pain after exercise. It's a versatile root that supports both gut health and general well-being. When deciding between turmeric and ginger juice, consider your primary health goals. If you're targeting chronic inflammation or seeking joint support, turmeric is likely your best bet. For digestive discomfort, nausea, or a quick energy boost, ginger juice is an excellent choice. Both offer significant health advantages, and you can even combine them for a synergistic effect. Check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.